Oprah Winfrey's new luxury vacation home is guaranteed to blow you away. Despite whatever the tabloids might tell you, famous celebrities are definitely not just like us. It's difficult for them to go anywhere without being recognized, and of course they also tend to have crazy amounts of money that they can spend on whatever they want. Ultra famous celebrities often lean into their wealth and choose to invest some of it in expensive properties. For the elite, owning several different homes across the country or even around the world is not uncommon. And some of them really go all out when it comes to sprucing them up. When you're a billionaire like Oprah Winfrey and money's of no real concern, buying a dream vacation home is more than possible, and so that's exactly what she did. If you want to see more amazing stories about the lavish lives of famous celebrities, be sure to leave us a like, and then don't forget to subscribe. Being one of the wealthiest women alive definitely comes with its perks. And for Oprah, buying a luxury vacation home on Orcas Island in Washington happens to be among some of the best ones. Orcas is one of the largest of the San Juan Islands that rest between Seattle and Vancouver. Oprah's incredible home sits on more than 40 acres of land, and it's an absolute paradise. The house itself is called Madron Eagle, and it was first built back in 2007. The original owners then decided to put the house up for sale in 2016, with Oprah eventually becoming the owner of the new property for a whopping $8.25 million. The interior of the 4-bedroom house is inspired by lodges that are usually found in the Pacific Northwest. That means there's plenty of beautiful exposed beam ceilings to look at, and the special touches most certainly don't end there. The incredible estate is loaded with amenities such as the 3,000 feet of waterfront views, a library, a guest house, a wine cellar, and several huge gardens. With a total measurement of over 7,300 square feet, there's certainly plenty of room for rest and relaxation. When you're involved in as many projects as Oprah is, you've got to have a place to get work done, even when you're on vacation. Thankfully, the high ceilings and open floor plan of this luxury office make it feel more like a comfy oasis than a business center. The house is full of bedrooms too, and they each have their own distinct features to boot. No matter which one you choose to spend the night in though, they're all guaranteed to be extra warm and inviting. This special guest room offers a bookshelf that's built right into the narrow staircase leading up to a cozy loft. For any guest who loves to read, this hideaway is the perfect place for relaxing with a good book. Speaking of relaxing and unwinding, this giant tub overlooking the water and trees has got to be a great place to just let the stress melt away. In a house this luxurious, you'd have to expect that even the low traffic areas are going to be breathtaking, and Oprah's laundry room is certainly no exception. Undeniably, one of the best features of the house has got to be the sheer amount of gathering spots that it offers. This informal den, for example, is a great place to sit and chat after dinner, and the high ceilings help to keep everything from looking or feeling too cramped. While traditional wooden homes like this one can often feel dark, even the hallways of Oprah's estate appear to be open, sunny, and fresh. It must be amazing to be able to wander down a hallway like this one every morning. In addition to the home's office and family areas, the house also comes equipped with this lovely workshop area. It's the perfect spot for Oprah to indulge in her passion of making crafts while still being able to enjoy the scenery. Even just taking a look at the property from the outside, you can probably tell that Oprah's stunning vacation getaway welcomes all of its guests with open arms. The unique landscape and the gorgeous lakeside views just add even more to the home's charm. Simply wandering the grounds of the property is a pleasure in and of itself. In addition to being situated directly on the waterfront, the land also contains its own private pond that's fully surrounded by the beautiful natural scenery. Talk about magical. For Oprah, this majestic estate is merely used as a place for her summer getaways. Her permanent residence is actually a 20,000 square foot mansion that's located on a 40-acre estate in Montecito, California. Despite being much larger than the vacation home though, sometimes it's nice to get away and just enjoy being closer to nature. What would your perfect vacation home look like? Let us know in the comments section, and then don't forget to leave us a like and to subscribe for more.